Hello everybody, this is Dream of Glitter, and today we're going to be doing the making of black raspberry vanilla bath bomb. Just 1 second. So I'm just going to start with the ingredients and the measurements and all that. I don't give out my recipes, just know that. All my products are available on my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the bio when I'm done. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to start with the liquids first before I actually work on the other half. So this is going to be all sped up, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, as you can see in that video, the mix is all done. Just going to quickly stir. And now we're going to mold. And we got it done. Alright, after that one done, this shouldn't be too much of an issue. So let's try this again. There we go. Just going to clean that. And there we go. And there we go. Now with the power of editing, I'll fast forward this. Now I finished doing bath bombs, however I have to go clean up, which is what I have to do every time, so I apologize for the icky workspace. My workspace is getting a little stained, and I have to figure out what to do about that. Especially this part, this is all polished. Everything else is just bath bomb. It's been a long day making bath bombs, so... Well, a long week making bath bombs, technically. Alright. Just gonna move that somewhere else. I'm gonna move this here. Gonna move that here. I'm going to have to clean this too, so I'm going to remove this as well. Okay. And watch this rainbow action. All right. going to get that corner too. All right. Just give me 1 second. All right, now it's this guy's turn. Let's get you all nice and clean, Mr. Stand Mixer. Alright. Alright, so all that's left to do is clean this and clean the tools I used today, cleaning the little things I put the liquids in, and then I'm all done for today. So I hope you all have a nice day. By the way, I apologize about the stain. It's a nail polish, just so you know. But I hope you all have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, I hope you liked it. This will be available on my Etsy shop. So, have a nice day. Bye.